Alright, check it out. I'm back with a 3-row cluster lemonade bling bling bracelet. I know you guys see how shiny that is. It actually looks like some lemonade in a cup. um, that's how the back looks. It's cluster chain, gold plated. Um, so the retail price on this is $100. Hip Hop Bling's offering it to you for $40. You save 50, or you save $60. That's 60%. They got different kinds of rows of this. As you can see, this is a 3-row one. They got a up to 4-row, 1 to 4-row. Um, it's super shiny in the sun. I tell you that. It's durable, lasts long. Dropped it, nothing comes out. That's how it looks around the wrist. This is how you close it in. I showed you guys some other videos of how to lock stuff in. It's right there. Well, I have the link in the description box and everything. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit me up if you need anything, any kind of videos, or hip hop bling up. You know, they're www.youtube.com/hip hop bling, and send them a message if you guys need any videos or anything. So yeah, hope you guys like it.